Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 11 update error code is 0x8024000b. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all, in the search box type a services, open a services. After doing this step, find out a background. Here is the background intelligent transfer services. Open it and make sure that it's selected automatic. Click on start button. Click on apply and OK button. After doing this step, find out a Windows update. Here is, open it and make sure that it's selected automatic. Stop and click on start button. Click on apply and OK button. And after doing this step, restart services. After doing this step, close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that in the search box, go to your settings of your Windows, go to your network and internet, sorry, select a system, go to your troubleshoot, click on other troubleshooters, select a Windows update, click on run button. After doing this step, close it and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a third method. The third method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After opening that, type a command is dism space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash start component cleanup and press enter. After doing this step, it's required of a few minutes to complete the process. After completing that, type a exit and exit the command prompt and restart your computer. And I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a fourth method. The fourth method is that in the search box, type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After opening that, type a command is sfc space slash scan now and press enter. After doing this step, the process will be started and it's required for few minutes to complete the process. After completing that, type a command is dism space slash online space slash cleanup dash image space slash restore health. After completing that, type exit and exit the command prompt and restart your computer. And I'm sure that after doing this step, your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a cmd and open a command prompt, right click, run as administrator. After after that, type a command is net space stop space WUAUSERV and press enter. After doing this step, type a command is net space stop space bits. After doing this step, type a command is net space stop space crypt svc and press enter. After doing this step, type a command is ren run space c column backslash windows forward slash software distribution space software distribution.old and press enter. After doing this step, type a command is ren run space c dot column forward slash windows space forward slash system 32 forward slash cat root 2 space cat root 2.old. After doing this step, type a command is net space start space WUAUSERV and press enter. After that, type a command is net space start bits. After doing this step, type a command is net space start space crypt svc and press enter. After doing this step, type exit and exit the command prompt, and after that restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.